The Monitoring Committee of the Parliamentary Assembly of the Council of Europe called on Azerbaijani authorities to step up efforts to implement legislation to enhance the functioning of democratic institutions. The call came Wednesday after approval by the committee meeting in Paris of the report by co-rapporteurs on Azerbaijan, Pedro Agramunt and Joseph Kresh. The report called for the implementation of commitments made by Azerbaijan to the Council of Europe and the relevant recommendations. The PAC press release noted that the committee recognized the cooperation of Azerbaijan under the monitoring procedure. The report noted that from entry to the Council of Europe, Azerbaijan has made progress in various fields, including creating the legal framework for functioning of democratic institutions. However, the restrictive application or violation of some laws is a growing concern for the rule of law and respect for human rights. Courts are not fully independent. Regarding political pluralism, the co-rapporteurs noted some well-known Azerbaijani opposition parties are not represented in parliament. At the same time, ruling party New Azerbaijan is the only one that has the right to form a political group in the parliament. The authors are worried over the state of freedoms of expression, assembly and association. There is a concern over the reports that journalists and activists are arrested on false charges. Recent amendments to the legislation to increase penalties for organizers and participants of unauthorized demonstrations are also a matter of concern for the Monitoring Committee. According to the co-rapporteurs, there have been reports that detained persons face torture from police in pre-trial detention facilities, investigative prisons and jails. The Monitoring Committee approved draft resolution calls for action to address these issues. Amongst the recommendations, there is a review of criminal cases against arrested journalists and activists using all available legal tools to free them. Additionally, the PAC recommends improvement to the electoral system, the removal of obstacles to the registration of NGOs, facilitating the registration procedure for international NGOs, and the creation of an opposition faction in parliament. The draft resolution will be submitted for approval by the Assembly during the winter session in Strasbourg on January the 21st to 25th.